So we started a new section, number 4, and it says other issues related to washing dishes, using soap and dishwashing detergent, as explained in chapter 26. Okay, a few chapters ago. It is forbidden to use bar soap on Yom Tov, right? So, okay, we said that a few issues. The use of free-flowing soap is permitted. Okay, so free-flowing soap, as we said, like all of this liquid soap, there is no problem, right? I mean, dish soaps. Have I ever seen like a very thick dish soap? I don't think so. I don't think so, no. Hand soap, yes, but not dish soap. Dense liquid soap, which does not flow freely, which is should not be used unless it is first liquefied through additional water. So just if you're not sure, there is always a simple solution. Just add a little water, shake it, and that's it. So you're golden. No problem whatsoever. Since there is a special Yom Tov soap available on the market, which is more fluid than standard fluid soap. Okay, so if you want to buy, they usually charge 2 times more for cheap quality soap. So I would not recommend. So just make sure that your soap is kosher LePesach. You can we send this Rabbi Blumenkratz, right? So he every year he does this research, right? And like many things that company do not certify as a kosher LePesach. So actually in his list they are kosher LePesach. Okay, so just so we know, because in this paste and mouthwash and things. So what he does the whole year, actually his son, he writes to all of the companies, right? As a consumer, I think they know him. He's a very famous personality, and they respond, right? Did they change anything in the procedure, like how they make the things? Did they in the ingredients? What the ingredients? Like even the minute particles. So they would need to disclose. Of course, he does not ask ratios and stuff like that. He does not ask the secrets, but technically, I mean, if I say all of the ingredients in a soup, let's say, all of the spices, I mean, or somebody tell me, I would not be able to make it anyway. So because there are different steps in the process, so I mean, the company, they have no problem to reveal it. Okay. But it takes the whole year, right, to prepare for the holidays. Okay, continue. B, using sponges and scouring pads. It is forbidden to use sponge, washcloth, paper towel, or other absorbent articles that and wash dishes, because it is inevitable that the water will be wrung from them during the washing, in violations of milacha schita, wringing. So as we said before, so all of these absorbent things not allowed. But I would say even the brush, whatever this the brush we use they call, I think, bottle brush, but not only bottle. We wash the glasses and right, and cups with that. I mean, it's very convenient. But still, for sure you're going to squeeze the water, not with your hands, but on the walls. Okay. For the same reason, it is forbidden to use the steel wool or synthetic scouring pads that traps the water between the fibers, mainly the thicker pads. But if it's like a mesh, it would not be a problem. However, one may use synthetic pad whose fibers are widely spaced and cannot trap water. So it's we bought it like a few times, like in our life, but it's so useless, so annoying. So it's better like we decided not to buy it. Waste of time and money. Okay, so if you want to wash it, just wash it with your hands. It's much better than this pad. Okay. The use of nylon bottle brushes likewise is permitted. A rubber, so he said permitted, but again, it's like good ones, they're going to trap water, for sure you're going to squeeze it, so it's a problem. But the ones that is permitted, we have one, but it's also a nightmare to wash with that. Okay, so it's cheaper, like instead of going through this aggravation, just cheaper to buy like a few more cups and glasses, and that's it. You're done. A rubber scraper may be used to scrap, um, to scrub the dishes. I'm not sure like how is it going to help. Usually it's the bigger one. They use it towards the counter. I'm not sure how you wash the dishes because they're not exactly flat. Okay, but I don't know. Continue. C. Storing dishes in a dishwasher. So okay, so now if somebody have like a limited kitchen space, I mean, I think most of the people do, but let's say like somebody living in a tiny apartment, right? So just for storage, as we discussed before, maybe that I don't remember, but you can use the washing machine washer, right? For storage of the dirty clothes. There is no problem. I'm not going to wash. I'm not prepared. There is no room where we have kids running around. They have to change them 3 times a day. So there is no room, right, to store. So we can store there. And some people even store clean clothing in, I know a few families, in a dryer. Of course, there is no light in a dryer. It's like nobody's going to close the door completely. Okay, the family knows the rule. So I mean, they use it as storage. Okay, there is no problem. I mean, of course, you cannot close the door because there may be some sensor we're going to activate it, but I'm not sure what they do. Maybe it's unplugged. Maybe it's lock mode. I'm not sure what they do, but it's also would be allowed. Okay. So again, C, storing dishes in dishwasher. Dirty dishes may be stored in dishwasher. The dishes may be placed in their proper position inside the dishwasher. However, due to the prohibition of borer, sorting, and hachana, preparing, the following guidelines should be observed. Right? Still, you're not allowed to sort. Of course, it is allowed to sort most of the things, as we said, most of the things for needs of Yom Tov, but here it's not for the need of Yom Tov. Okay, in some sense. But if you need to get rid of this dirty dishes because you need counter space, that could be very different, right? I mean, that's for sure. That's the only way why it would be allowed, or if they do smell or something. Okay. Different types of dishes which are mixed together may not be sorted. Okay, may not be sorted. Therefore, when cleaning off the table, one should avoid mixing different types of dishes together. Okay, so basically, everybody finish eating fish, for example. You collect all of the plates and you put it in dishwasher. There's no problem. There's no sorting, right? Okay. The dishes should be grouped separately until they're placed in dishwasher. That's it. So all of the bowls you put in one stack, all of the plates from fish in another, like smaller fish, salad bowls, salad plates, and then dinner plates. Okay, no problem. But keep them separately. Mixed cutlery may not be sorted. Okay, but must be placed in dishwasher at random. I'm not sure why would somebody. We never had dishwasher. I mean, I saw dishwashers, but I'm not sure why would somebody put like what is the difference? Why would I separate knives from forks? What is the in dishwasher? I'm not sure. What is the practical difference? Okay. Continue. Number 2, mixed cutlery. Okay. Mixed cutlery may not be sorted, but must be placed in a dishwasher at random. Okay, no problem. Number 3, if the dishes were improperly positioned inside the dishwasher, one may not rearrange them according to the size and category. Okay, so whatever it was, just think before you place. Okay, so you cannot rearrange. So it's because it's going to be sorted. That is not for the sake of Yom Tov. Note: it is forbidden to run dishwasher on Yom Tov, even if it turned out by a Gentile or by automatic timer. See Sanctity of Shabbos, page 89. Okay, so dishwashers we don't use on Yom Tov. So even when you need this, all of let's say you need all of the dishes on Yom Tov, so we don't use this thing. Okay. And D, cleaning articles other than dishes. For an extensive discussion of the subject of cleaning up spills, cleaning soiled tablecloths, and washing kitchen counters, see Shabbos Kitchen, chapter 18. So, for extensive subject of cleaning up spills. So when you have a spill, so what is the problem with the spill? So there are a few problems with the spill. The spill, if it was not water, it was tomato juice, right? So the problem is or possibly can be right that if you did something like not napkins or some disposable things, but you try to use some towel, right? So the problem with the towel that you might think, no, if the stain is going to set in a towel, that's it, it's ruined, and person might get towards the towel, which is absolutely forbidden on Shabbos and on Yom Tov as well, right? And it's one issue, and another issue is dyeing. So we're not allowed to dye a different color. So maybe if you have I don't know, like a yellow towel, let's say kitchen towel, right? And now you're trying to clean up this tomato juice. So of course you're dyeing, and it's in some sense it's improving, so not allowed. And of course the problem is the squeezing, so you might get to squeeze. Clean soiled tablecloth. So we're not allowed to clean it. Okay, we just of course like you can put some napkins like under that, like try to wipe from the top, but you're not allowed to clean the stain. Okay, so kitchen counters also, like you would not allowed to do something with water, because why? Because most likely that that you're going to squeeze things. Okay, the subject of dusting and cleaning garments has been discussed length Shabbos Home, chapter 12. So dusting is in what is it, in the category of what of laundry. So we're not allowed to dust like rigorously, just some like a little dust, like shake a little. There's no problem, right? But otherwise, dusting is not allowed. So and especially if one thinks that it is dirty. So if if a person would be like embarrassed to go outside with this spot, like I don't know, no sleeve or somewhere, right? So that's the issue, right? But if he's fine, but he prefer not to be like maybe shake off a little, then it would be allowed, right? And same as we said. Did we say? No, we did not say about the raincoats. So the raincoat you're not allowed to shake like rigorously, like a little, shake a little, and then that's it. Like let it dry, right? Because why? The problem, the process of ringing, right? How do you ring, right? You ring things like you get off getting rid of excess water. That's the issue. Okay, so I think we can stop here. So next topic is muktzeh. Okay. Some people they name their dog muktzeh. Okay. And they asked me, is it nice? Is it cute? I said, I don't think it, like why should you embarrass the dog? Because muktzeh is something like forbidden. Why? I mean, there is a special article that forbidden on Shabbos, but why you call this dog forbidden? Okay, no problem. So let me know if any questions on what we said. Yes, go ahead, please.
So I have a question. I think someone is asking the same question on the board.
Mm-hmm.
So in the C part, when it says storing dishes in the dishwasher, in point number 1, it says different types of dishes which are mixed together may not be sorted.
Mm-hmm.
Therefore, when clearing off the table, one should avoid mixing different types of dishes together.
Mm-hmm.
The dishes should be grouped separately until they are placed in the dishwasher. Like, isn't this like sorting as well?
No. You keep in the sort. Okay, so the definition of sort that you have a mixture, and you take something from out of the mixture, right? But when you have the same plates, like you have salad plates, you eat salad with a fish. Let's say first course. Okay, they're all the same. There's no mixture. Mixture is some like foreign, like different types of things. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.